Hey guys, we haven't seen each other in a while because I've been busy with gymnastics in school. Have you guys had a great Christmas? Our Christmas was wonderful. We even got a new room. We'll show you that in the future. But this is what our video will be about. We have two amazing packages. I've been wanting a mannequin head forever. And guess what? I got it. Guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing video for you guys. And this package down here, this really big one, it's something special. I have no clue what it is, and I'm super excited. So Jayla, come on over. Jayla, say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Don't mind her hair. Just don't mind it. So, here is the first package. Let's get it open. Okay guys, so look inside. So it comes with a white box. Let's get this open. Okay, so here it is. It has training head. So let's see. So here it comes with the, the part where you connect it to your table. And here is the head.
Show the face. Oh my goodness, his nose is covered up.
So you ready? Wow, look at her. She has super duper nice long hair.
Got red lipstick. Her hair looks.
It feels super duper soft.
You don't even have.
It's not silky, but it's soft.
You only gotta wash it.
Oh, she's setting. So she's super duper cute. She has red lipstick and brown eyes. She has super duper long hair. And I will be practicing some hairstyles pretty soon. Super duper gorgeous. I'm super duper excited that I can get this. It was only $11.99. And look at this. Only for 11 something. And the super long hair. What a great deal. We got it off of Amazon. So you guys should check it out if you're interested. Okay, so here's the big box.
We can both open this one like we opened that one last time.
So guys, like I said before, this is surprise. Okay, so here's another box. So let's see. Okay, how are we gonna get this one open? Right here. Let me see. Okay. Right now this is looking like a tripod, but we already have one, so I know it's not that.
I hope it's my turn.
A pole? Oh, what? It's for my doll. I saw it on YouTube. It's like a doll stand. Well, okay, so basically, wait, that's the wrong way. I don't know how to set this up, guys. Okay, so let's put the doll head, the mannequin head on.
Now you can sit down and do it.
And look at that. Super duper pretty and cool. So I can just comb her hair like this. Okay, So let's have a little chit chat. Okay, so the stand was 20 and the doll was 11. So that'll put you about 30. If you don't want the stand, you don't have to, because it comes with this, which is for free. And all you have to do is just connect it to your table. This, like this part right here, how I set the ball up to the thing, is basically how you set that up too. Just a little different. She's super duper cute. I'm so excited. You asked for a comb? Oh, you got one. Okay. So here is the comb. Let's do
Here's
some
my
brushing.
doll.
Yep, Jayla got her doll out.
But mine is a little bit bald. So
Okay, guys, let's turn her around so you guys can see her. Oh. Look at her hair. It's super beautiful.
Let me go get me a comb.
You like it, guys? Go on my Instagram, JES_sisters, and tell me if you had purchased one of these. Jayla, would you?
Yeah?
Yeah, and the hair is super duper nice and soft. It's a really nice doll. It has really good texture. And it's so cute. It's just like my hair. Look, guys, we're twins with straight hair. All I need is some nice red lipstick and we'll be twins. And so basically, if like you see how we have this stand here, like it makes me not have to stand in the table and just like stand up and brush it. All I have to do is sit down in this chair and comb out her hair.
That's since she can't be her best friend because she looks like she's 15.
So guys, that's the end of the video. I really love my mannequin head and the stand. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'm super duper happy I can get this stuff. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. We hope that we can post more videos. I will be doing a room tour pretty soon. And we may do a what we got for Christmas. Bye, guys. Jill, say bye.
Bye, guys. I hope you see you later.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Come and see us over on Instagram, JES_sisters. Bye for now. See you soon.